Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today for unboxing I have a bag for Festool track saw guide rail. This is made by Festool. There are other brands. As you know from my other video, I very like the quality and the price of new Chinese brand. They also have bag, it 3 times cheaper than Festool one. I do not have that one to compare by quality, but it seems like a quality one. So I can leave the link for that too. You can save some money to buy it. As always, I am mentioning that I am buying from China, from Taobao. I paid for this about $30. It is cheaper than in US, in Europe, but you can be sure that many sellers in Taobao selling original Festool, so it is not a problem and they will ship to you. And for shipping to my country I pay about $2-3 maximum for it, because it's lightweight, about maybe 60-70-100 grams. So they put in a small bag, very tight. As well, I will put link for it in the description if you want to try to buy from China. So here you can see the part number and other info from Festool for this bag. I'm not sure that this bag made in Germany, maybe in China or other countries, but I do not know that, because it is not so complicated thing to make it in Germany. So no info that it's made in Germany. So I'm guessing that it's made in other place, but it does not matter. First feeling, the bag is for 1400 millimeter guide rail. The cloth is thick and feels quality. Here you have a small bag to put here your clamps for track, other accessories for it, maybe connector for 2 tracks, because you can put in this bag at least 2 guide rail. I think even more. So some other accessories, nice packet to put here. Here we have like Velcro, open it, and that's it. This is handle for it. Here 2 very big zips with rubber, very nice logo, Festool. Feels quality one. As well you have like a hook here to hang on the wall and other places in the bag. So let's fully open it. This big zips, it's much easier to open. It opens like here, fully to this part, and here we have closed cloth. So the next important thing, here inside there something similar to Foma. It's soft one, but I do not know why they do not put the same thing on the back part and here just a cloth. I think it will be much safer to put it on both sides, taking into account that this is not cheap bag, and as I mentioned, you can buy Chinese one for 3 times cheaper, about $12. So as I guessed, here you can see that it's made in Vietnam, 100% polyester. So let's try to put guide rail inside the bag. So it's fit nicely. Here as well you have like a belt to hang on your shoulder for carrying it. Like this, you will carry it. I have another guide rail, just a moment. Let's try how many we can put here. I have not only from Festool but also from Chinese not known brands. This one with this hook is as well for Makita. Makita track saw has some hook here. It goes under this part, and when you want to cut on 45 or other tilt angle degrees, it keeps saws on it. This is 800mm version, very cheap compared to original Festool one. For example, for this I paid about $12 maximum, and this one a little bit cheaper, not much compared with original Festool one. For this I paid about $45. Again, 104 meters long. As you can see, they really copied the Festool track. Instead of this green one, they put black one. You can buy separately this green if it's matter for you. Take out this black one, or after some use it will go out and you can change with Festool one. The same here, as you can see. Just let me show with Festool compared. Very similar. Here again the same color, but the Festool one, this part, this splinter is a little bit qualitier. This is very hard. So again, it's about $7-8. You can buy, change this one. The rest is very similar, the feeling. Festool one a little bit more grippy here and a little bit wider compared this. Not original, but again, you can change everything, and this is parts that from time to time you need to update, because just a moment, because they not made too long last time. Just here I will put two inside the bag. Just a moment. It goes a little bit tight, but okay, I can put two guide rail inside, even this small one. So, and I can close the zip tight. So I think at least you can put 3 guide rails in this bag, even maybe 4, and this nice packet for clamps and other accessories. As I mentioned, this is very similar to Festool one, just red one. The quality is not good as Festool, but very good quality for the price, because for this I paid a maximum for a couple of this, paid maximum $15-16 from China. Works, function very well, very high pressure, very similar to Festool one, but 3 times cheaper. So you can put here easily and carry with you with this nice bag. So don't be afraid, try to look in China and save some money for very good tools and accessories with famous brand. Thank you for watching my videos. You are always welcome to my channel. Have a nice day.